Yes. Oh, I'm so excited for this. As you can see, I'm in the middle of doing this look, but I need to try this. This is the lighter curve case from Made by Mitchell, of course. You probably recognize the packaging. Now, I have the light curve case and I absolutely adore it. It's literally sitting on top of my vanity. I love it. And honestly, for as much as I use it, like, it doesn't look like it's been used that much. So I feel like it's gonna last me a long time. However, I was so intrigued when I saw the lighter version because of the contour shades. Now, if you, like me, are very fair or you just have been struggling to find a contour shade that isn't basically bronzer, I feel you. And that is why I got so excited. I ordered this when it launched. I know I love the formula. I know I love the performance. So to me, this was like a safe buy. I have like safe buys in my head that I'm like, if I purchase this, I know that it's not gonna be probably a bad decision. And this, ooh, I'm so excited. Yes, dude, yes, look at that. Oh my god. Even, and this one, actually all of these and the blushes I'm actually very excited for. Wow, don't you just want to eat that? Like, don't you just want to bite into that? I'm so serious right now. Just, it would probably make me feel better. Wow, 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 wow. This is so stunning. I'm truly so excited for this. I never thought I would see the day, but this actually even might be too light for me, but I'm gonna try it either way. Whew. I think, oh, I got a cat hair in it already. I know a lot of people like to scoop it out of the palette and use it. This is not anything for a kit. I also don't do makeup on other individuals anymore. So like, I'm just gonna use this for myself. Cat hair, I'm gonna need you to stop though. So I know people are like, you scoop it out and then you warm it up. I just like to pat into the palette and like pat onto my face because it blends so well. It's so seamless. The other one is, at least I'm assuming this one will be as well. But I need to touch this. Wow, okay. What about the second one? Third? All right, that's what I'm talking about. That is actually what I'm freaking talking about. Okay, so I'm going to take the first shade and put it like right here. That is actually too light for me. What? It's like my skin color. Stop. Wait, can I use it as like a highlight or something? You know what? This is crazy. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the second shade now. Kind of tap like right on top. Okay, but I do really like that actually for some really soft, and I mean, you can barely tell a difference, soft sculpting. Now I'm gonna try the third shade, just a little bit higher. Oh, that, I like that. I like that. There's a little bit of warmth in the third shade. I do believe it's because these two are contour and those two are bronzers, but I think them kind of like mixed together. All right, okay. So I think 2 and 3 mixed together might be my little favorite combination. Let's try that over here. I like that. There's a tiny, tiny bit of warmth, but truly that is kind of my vibe when I want, like, it's not a bronze situation because no one on earth is thinking, wow, did you step outside for a moment? To me, it's just adding shape. It is really about the definition, and that is what like contour is meant for. Just kind of creating that shape, bringing the structure of my face back to my face after I've blanked it out as a canvas with my foundation. Truly so excited for these tones. I use the ones in lighter, the hollow there, so much. Literally so much, and I love it. I adore it. But these just add this like soft ghoul glam or something. Like, I don't know how to describe it other than the way that like I have been waiting for this. I'm gonna mix all three together. Gonna go like boop, boop, boop on my brush. Because now I feel like it's giving shape and a little bit of coverage. Wow. Now I'm going to take a little bit of the fourth shade. So this end shade here, I'm going to take it on the other end of this brush, and I'm just going to take the tiniest bit of it to kind of like into the like literal hollow of my cheek. So I can feel my cheekbone here, and I'm going to literally place it like right in this little socket like that. And then I'm going to blend it out with the brush on top and see what it gives. Oh, period, cheekbone. Okay, guess what? Cheekbones, who? Where? Me, there. All right, Oh, chiseled. Anyway, and then I'm gonna mix, you know what? The thing that I love about this too, I'm gonna mix two, they have names, I've been saying two in like numbers. Dune Up, Extra Cream, Dune Up, Cloud, Carve, and Be the Light. I'm gonna mix Dune Up and Be the Light together, so kind of just mix 2 and 4 and kind of do my little nose contour with that. This is riveting to me, honestly. It's like mixing paint together for your canvas, dude. Okay, that one is a little bit, there's some green in that, but that might be my undertones too, because, you know, color theory and whatnot. But I love that. I have not ever had products like this in my collection with this formula for this purpose with these tones. And I have been using makeup for a long time, and I know I'm a little particular because I only use cruelty free. I think everybody should only use cruelty free, but that's just me. But like, I think not that there are not products maybe out there like that, but for me, there have not been products out there like this. I'm so over the like times where bronzer has been used to contour and like add shape, which I love bronzer, dude. I love it so much, but there is a certain time and space that I'm like, I'm so sick of the same such orange undertone. It's like there's other, like there's yellow, there's other depths and dimensions that you can add, and it's just like when it's just straight up orange. Anyway, obsessed with that. I'm so excited. And I will get into the blushes at some point because I kind of want to use all of those in a look, but I have another blush that I'm going to use today. So I just wanted to focus on the contour and bronzer section. I already know that I love the cream blushes, like the Blursh from Made by Mitchell. Absolutely losing my mind over these tones just in general. So pleased, so happy with this. Mitchell, thank you so much. If you ever see this, literally, thank you so much for making products like this. Supremely thrilled with just the performance. I look forward to the day that hopefully Made by Mitchell is like in a more available, faster shipping, but also like it's really worth the wait in my opinion. I order from Beauty Bay. I don't know if there's a faster way to get it, but what I will say is that I do hope that they're like in Ulta and like other retailers. I know that they were talking about a little something else that they have planned for next month, but truly, wow. Okay, so just to quickly note, because I'm coming on here, my look is obviously finished, but I can still see how well the contour is holding up. I just love this. I love this so much. I'm so excited that like this has been made. I have fallen in love with cream products recently, and while I'm still very picky about them, I feel like I have found the ones that I really, really love. These curve cases are definitely one of them. Also, just side by side, let me show you these. So this is the light case. This is the lighter. Yeah. Anyway, let me know what you think. Let me know if you've tried these before. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me for more makeup and beauty content, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!